Hey guys, Phantom Brothers back. So today's video is just kind of like a chill little sit down video. You guys seem to like these videos sometimes. So today we just want to talk about what makes a car ricey.
What makes a car ricey?
You know, some people just they don't know how to
modify their car.
Yeah, at all.
The bottom of the barrel.
It's like the type, like those like cheap mods and stuff that you can like do to your car and stuff that just don't look very good.
But they're kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, so we just want to talk about like what makes a car ricey, and this is only like our opinions. It's not facts.
Only
or
our
anything.
opinions.
Yeah, just so like don't add us. So the number one thing we like came up with that makes a car ricey is like a spoiler on like a front wheel car.
Yeah, very like over the top spoiler on a front wheel drive car, like a Civic or like a Sunfire or something like that. That's kind of ricey.
Yeah, that it doesn't look good. It looks weird. You know, like it's almost like they want to make it look fast.
But it doesn't do anything because when you have a spoiler in the back and you have a front wheel drive, in theory, when you're going at a high speed, it's supposed to push down the back for more traction, but the power is not going to the back wheel, so it's not really doing anything.
Yeah, it's just kind of used for show.
Yeah.
But it doesn't even look that good sometimes.
And another thing is like very obnoxious, loud exhausts that don't really sound nice on like slow vehicles. That's kind of ridiculous, we thought.
It's like you hear the sound like, but
like,
the car's going like this. Like that's weird. That doesn't work.
It is not.
It's not right.
No.
It's it just makes it obnoxious. It's not even cool.
Yeah.
You know.
True.
Hubcaps.
Hubcaps.
Who does that? Like, buy the rims.
You know, like half the time I see like somebody with hubcaps like spray painted like green or red or something. I feel like just going and popping them off. You don't need this.
Yeah. That just looks awful.
It's one of those.
It's like your rims. It's like the normal like black rims.
Yeah, just leave it. Just leave it. It's fine.
Like no one's gonna judge you.
No. No one's gonna.
The people are gonna judge you more with the hubcaps. You know, like especially if you like car guys and stuff.
Yeah.
Just don't do that. Don't do that.
And another thing is sticker bombed. Like stickers are nice, like nice I guess like car like branded stickers are cool. But if you're just throwing like a bunch of like random like stickers like just cover your car, it's kind of ricey.
Like have you seen those like weird like Simpson stickers or like any type of stickers?
Like the family stickers and stuff, that's ricey.
That's like keep it car related when it comes to stickers.
Yeah.
And not too much. You know, like a good amount. A good amount is okay. Now, fake vents.
Fake vents. Do we even need to say anything about fake vents?
Why need fake vents? If they're fake, they don't do anything for your car.
We all know it's fake. We all know. All the car guys know it's fake.
You can tell. And like modifications are made so that you improve your car, not to just
it has no functionality.
Yeah, it doesn't function. It just don't do that either.
And another thing, it doesn't happen very often, but suicide doors on like cheap vehicles like Civics and like what other cheap car do you see that? Like a Celica. Like the suicide doors.
My car?
Yeah, like
like I would never add suicide doors to my car.
No.
That would look awful.
They belong on Lamborghinis and Ferraris and McLarens, Pagani.
Pagani.
Pagani. Future car?
Maybe. Those like another thing is like those 90s body kits. You know those like
the
ones that make your car look super bulgy
from
and stuff.
The Fast and Furious. You gotta diss it, but
yeah, like
back then
they
were cool, but now they're not.
We love those movies, but the cars back then were some of them were a little
I think over the top.
over the top.
You see?
And some people that do it now, it's a big no-no.
It's big
in
no-no
our
in the
eyes.
car world now.
Yeah. So don't like body kits are fine.
Oh, if they're nice, like
Yeah,
a veil
yeah.
side or like, you know, veil side. What else is there?
I don't know, man. Like some body kits that are not like too wide or over the top.
Just plain and simple.
Yeah, exactly.
Like Rocket Bunny kits.
Yo, those are nice. I
Yeah.
like those, but not over the top because those are just
It's
a
a
little
little-
ugly.
Oh, and I think we could all agree on this when it comes to car guys, the truck guys. Too much chrome. Too much chrome to blind a blind man.
People like to find yeah.
It's not cool. It's not cool.
That's
I don't think we even need to touch up on that
no
one.
too shiny.
Too shiny.
You know, it's no need for that. You don't need the attention that.
Black it out.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Black is nice. Too many subs. In
One
the
sub
back.
is fine. We
Mhm.
get it. We like music. We all do. We've all been
Loud
there.
music.
But when you have over the top subs where your car is like falling apart, the
Yeah.
speakers are falling out,
It's shaky.
and it's not even clear.
It's
You
no.
can't even hear the person sing. You're like,
Yeah,
you know, you just.
it's like your
What?
hair starts to move and shit. Like, yeah.
Yes.
That's
A little
It's too
ricey.
much,
It's
like-
a ricey car.
just nice and like loud but clear.
Yeah.
And like
High
not
quality.
not like shit that makes your whole body shake.
Not like a $20 sub you found on eBay. Or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, exactly. Extreme camber. Camber. My bad.
Spanish.
My Spanish again always comes out at the worst times. Now like what's it called? Camber.
Camber.
Camber. My bad. It's nice. That looks cool.
A little bit. It's
A
really
little bit.
nice. Even
Yeah.
like when drifting, like the
Yeah,
the functionality.
Mm.
But when it's just like,
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Like this
You're
angle.
destroying your
I
car.
think this angle.
It's too low.
This is okay, but like this.
It's not.
Come on, man. Like you can't. You like. Why?
Yeah.
There's no point. Are you even
You're just
drifting?
scraping. Like you're destroying your transmission. You're destroying your oil pan.
Suspension.
Yeah, you're destroying everything.
Mhm.
Fucking everything up.
It doesn't even look that cool. I don't think, in my opinion, it doesn't look that cool.
I don't. Well, I think I like a little bit.
A little bit, yes,
But
but
it's like
Yeah.
scraping. It's not
Mhm.
cool.
No.
And last but not least,
Oh, this is like especially.
weird
especially.
offset colors, like you know, like a silver car with like bright green rims that was like with spray can.
Yeah.
That's not cool.
No, like when it like. If you wanna like I don't know do colors to your cars and stuff, make them like match or something, you know.
It makes them like easy on the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Yeah, because if you have like a gray car and have like orange rims and an orange spoiler or like orange side mirrors,
yeah.
that doesn't look very
ricey.
cool.
Rice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it makes it look weird.
Yeah. But I think that's what makes a car ricey. That's
Yeah.
what Phantom Brothers thinks
Mhm.
makes a car ricey.
And remember, this is only our opinions. It's
Yeah.
not like factual. Like other people have other opinions, but that's just what we think.
Leave in the comments what
Yeah.
you guys think
Mhm.
makes
If
a
you
car
guys-
ricey.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's something really that is talked about in the car world a lot, and everybody has opinions on it.
Mm-hmm. So when you hear people be like, "Oh, that's ricey,"
We want to hear your opinion, so
Yeah,
leave it in the
so-
comments.
Mhm.
So yeah, remember to tandem with the Phantom
Tandem
Brothers.
with Phantom Brothers.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See you guys next time.